Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to our slide. Our group has chosen the arcade game Pacman as our game. Next is the problem statement. The programming assignment's objective is to implement the core game logic and artificial intelligence agents for a simplified 2D version of Pacman, focusing primarily on correctly modeling the game state to pursue Pacman. So we, as the players, have 5 objectives. Firstly, collect all pellets to clear the maze. Secondly, avoid ghosts to stay alive. Thirdly, eat power pellets to temporarily defeat ghosts. Fourthly, earn the highest score possible before losing all lives. And lastly, advance to the next level by completing the maze.
Our main challenges are: it's hard to think of suitable code, running the game, and process of making the map.
So
based on our project, the lessons that we learned are importance of planning before coding, clear logical thinking,
next I will
and
present
improving
about the problem
skills.
analysis chart. The problem of this project is to design a simple console-based Pacman game where the player controls Pacman to collect all the pellets in a maze while avoiding the ghosts. The inputs of the program include the keyboard controls W, A, S, and D for movement, and Q to quit the game. Other inputs are the game map layout, which contains walls, pellets, and power pellets, as well as the initial positions of Pacman and the ghosts. So next, the process of the game starts with the initialization phase. In this stage, the program sets up the game map, places Pacman and the ghosts at their starting positions, and counts the total number of pellets. Then the game enters the main loop. During this loop, the program displays the map and score, check player inputs, move Pacman according to the key press, and updates the score whenever a pellet is collected. The ghosts also move automatically in random directions. If Pacman collects with a ghost, the game ends. If all pellets are collected, the player wins. Finally, in the end process, the program clears the screen and displays the final message, either game over or congratulations, you won, along with the player's total score. So lastly, the outputs of the program are the animated game display, the updated score, and the final game status. So in conclusion, this PEC helps us understand how the Pacman game operates step by step, from initialization to the main game loop, and finally to the end process.
So it's me again, and now I'm going to show you guys IPO. Input, there is player key input, mesh layout data, collision data, time frame tick, and random seed. For process, there is initialization, object placement, input processing, move Pacman, and ghost AI, collision check, win or lose check. And for output, there is game display, UI display, map updates, end screen, final score report, and lastly, system cleanup.
Chart of this project. So first we go for start, and then we will initialize random number generator, and then set up terminal mode for input, initialize game map, and then display Pacman, and then wait for player to press any key, and then click the 2D arrow game map, and then loop maze layout, and then count total pellets. So after that, we will place Pacman at the start position, and then give an arrow, and then a square box, click for ghost with position and direction, and then place ghost on map and store underline cells, and then there's option for a ghost for a game over equivalent to false. So if it's a yes, then draw game map and display score. If it's a no, then a clear screen. After the player input level, so these are two options, is it a yes or no. So if it's a yes, then if we go to the input key, so there is 5 WSADQ, so it will leads to update map, and then move ghost every few frames, and then update game stat. And then if it's a no, so skip movement update and go to update map. So for the no option, if it's a no, so we'll go to the all pellets are equal AMMAR. If it's a yes, so set game over to true. So for no option, so all pellets are equal. If it's a yes, so set game over to true and game over to true. So if it's a no, so wait for short delay.
And I'm going to present pseudocode. Okay, first of all, I'm going to start with the hashtag include IOStream using namespace std, and then to the main 0 as the open bracket. Next, I will declare variables and constants. To display welcome message, I will use the cout, and then in parentheses, welcome to Pacman, and then end line. For the main game loop, I'm going to use the while function, also the score function, which will display the score, and also the pellets remaining, which will display the total pellets, end line. So this is for how the player is going to move. So I will use the WASD. So next, we're going to use the move ghost periodically, and if total pellets equal to 0, it means that the player has won a game. So we have a normal pellets, which will score more than or equal to 10, and then which will be increased to 50 scores. Next, we're gonna move Pacman. If blocked by wall, choose random direction. That if Pacman collides with ghost, game over equals to true. And if total pellets equals to 0, game 1 true, and game over equals to true. Close bracket. Number 6, for the output results, if game 1, cout, congratulations, you won, end line. Else, cout, game over, end line. We'll have to see out the final score. 7, stop, return 0, close bracket. That's all. So here are all the references that we use in order to make this proposal happen.